Good afternoon. So, in the previous class, we have started power series. In that, we have completed one problem based on power series. So, let us do second problem based on power series now. Now, as you see, once let's have a recap of power series. What is given here? So, here a question will be asked. And in that you will find a second order homogeneous linear differential equation with variable coefficients. You can observe here the equation will be in the form p naught of x d square y by dx square plus p1 of x dy by dx plus p2 of x of y is equal to 0. So here a point x naught is said to be ordinary point of 1 if p naught of x naught is not equal to 0. So here there will be in the exam the ordinary point will be given. We have to check, we have to substitute that x naught in p naught so that it should not be equal to 0. And then after that, as we know in the previous problem, I have told you how to do that. As you see here, we have a differential equation, and then we take y is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square and so on, a n x power n and so on equal to 0 and so on. That will be the solution of equation 1 when x is equal to 0 is an ordinary point. So then we take y dash, y double dash. As you know, we differentiate whatever solution of the equation is there, that is y is equal to what we have supposed. We differentiate that y once, twice and thrice based on our problem. So now, as we have done this problem yesterday, this is clearly given here. So that is nothing but here that is nothing but 1 minus x square y double dash minus 2 xy dash plus 2y equal to 0. Now here ordinary point is given, that is nothing but x is equal to 0. So when you substitute it, that is nothing but I have told you just now, this is p naught, this is p1x, this is p2 of y, p2 of x of y is equal to 0. Here I have substituted x equal to 0 in p naught of x. So when you substitute in the place of x, we get 1. So 1 is not equal to 0. So therefore we have written x is equal to 0 is ordinary point of 1. So then we have taken y is equal to, as I have told you, we suppose y is equal to a naught plus a1x plus and so on. That will be the solution of equation 1. So after that we differentiate this y once and twice as per our requirement. So after that we substitute this y and y dash, y double dash in the given equation so that we get this form. So after that we compare x naught, x power 1, x square, x cube coefficients, and then we substitute in the solution of the given equation. Now in this way we complete our problem. Now let us have next problem, that will be second problem. So let us have that second problem now. Second problem is find the power series solution of y double dash plus 4y is equal to 0. As I have said you before, this is very important problem. This will come for long question and this is very easy. So once you see or once you go through this, then easily you can do it in the exam. So now first what we do, first we write given. So what is given here, y double dash plus 4y is equal to 0. Now this is equation 1. Then as I have told you, here we don't have any power series here we don't have any ordinary point. So here what we do, we take x is equal to, so let x is equal to 0 be an ordinary point. So after taking this, now we substitute in p naught. You can see this is the equation given, y double dash plus 4y. So we suppose this as p naught of x into y double dash plus here whatever we have, that is nothing but p1 of x into y equal to 0. So we substitute in p naught. So if you can see here p naught of x is nothing but 1, because it is nothing is given here. So when you substitute x is equal to 0, because here we have 1, we can't substitute, we don't have x here to substitute x equal to 0, so we have 1. So when you substitute, there is nothing to substitute x equal to 0, so directly we can write that is not equal to 0 for x is equal to 0. Then we write, as we have taken, let x is equal to 0 for be an ordinary point. So after that we write let y is equal to a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3 x cube plus a4 x power 4 plus and so on is nothing but equation 2. So as I have told you, this y is equal to whatever we are taking here, this is nothing but the solution of the given equation. So now when you differentiate this, then this becomes y dash is equal to, here a naught is constant, so that becomes 0. So here we have a1x, so we are differentiating with respect to x, 0 plus a1. Now when you differentiate x square, that becomes 2x, so we can write 2a2x plus, now when you differentiate x cube, that becomes 3a3x square plus, now when you differentiate a4 x power 4, that becomes 4a4x cube plus and so on. So this is y dash. Now when you differentiate y dash again with respect to x, so a1 becomes 0, the next term becomes 2a2 plus, then this becomes 6a3x plus, when you differentiate x cube here, you get 12a4x square plus and so on. So in this way we differentiate the given solution of the given equation. So now here we require only y double dash as well as y. So now substitute y and y double dash in equation 1. Where you substitute y and y double dash in equation 1, so equation becomes, so here y, what is y here? We want y double dash. Y double dash is this one. Let us substitute here 2a2 plus 6a3x plus 12a4x square plus and so on. So close the bracket. So this is y double dash plus 4 into y. 4 into y in the sense y is nothing but a naught plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus and so on equal to 0. We have equal to 0 here, we write equal to 0. Then after substituting this, then we compare the coefficients now. Comparing the coefficients of, now first I compare the coefficient of x power 0. Now when you compare the coefficient of x power 0, here you can see, here we have 2a2. We don't have here anything, we don't have x here. So we consider here as x power 0. X power 0 is 1. So this is nothing but coefficient of x power 0. So we write 2a2. Now here you can see, here we have a naught, so we don't have x here, so we consider here a naught into x power 0, so that it becomes plus 4a naught. Coefficient of x naught is here 4a naught, we multiply 4 with a naught, so this becomes equal to 0, implies now this becomes a2 is equal to minus 2a naught. When you take this plus 4a naught to other side, and when you cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are, then this becomes a2 is equal to minus 2 a naught. So after that we take the coefficient of x power 1, so that here x power 1, this is x power 1, so this becomes, here the coefficient of x power 1 is 6a3, so we take 6a3 here. Now here let us see, here we have x power 1, so we take plus 4a1, coefficient of x power 1 is 4a1 here, so implies is equal to 0, implies you get a3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 a1. When you take 4a1 to other side and when you cancel, you get this when you simplify. Now we take x square coefficient. Now here you have x square coefficient is 12a power 12a4. Now x square coefficient is here 4 plus 4a2 is equal to 0, implies. Now if you take 4 other side and when you cancel, you get a4 is equal to minus 1 by 3 a2, minus 1 by 3 a2. Now this is equal to, now here you can see a2 is equal to minus 2 a naught. So I can write this as minus 1 by 3, a2 is nothing but, I can write into 2a naught, into 2a naught. In the place of a2 I am writing 2 minus 2a naught. So minus of minus plus it becomes. So I make plus. So after this we write x cube coefficients. X cube coefficient is nothing but, here when you take here another term, so that becomes 20a5 plus 4a3 is equal to 0, implies. Now here when you simplify this, you get a5 is equal to minus 1 upon 5 a3 is equal to, now when you simplify this, you get 12 by 2 by 5, 2 by 15 a1. When you substitute a3 is equal to minus 2 by 3 here, now here we have minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5 into minus 2 by 3 is nothing but 2 by 15 plus 2 by 15 a1 you get. Now we got all the values x0, x1, x2, x3. So after this what we do, we substitute all this from, so we substitute in 2, from 2, now from 2, so 2 is nothing but, as I have told you, the solution of this equation is nothing but y is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a cube x cube and so on. So in this solution we have to substitute all the coefficients, whatever you got a1, whatever you got a2, a3, a4, a5, we have to substitute in the solution. So here that becomes y is equal to, now first is a0, so we write a0 as it is, plus, then we write a1 because we don't have a1x here, so we write a1x plus, so plus we have, here we have plus a2 x square. In the place of a2 we write minus 2a0, minus 2a0 x square, then we get a3 x cube. a3 is nothing but minus 2 by 3 a1, so we write here minus 2 by 3 a1 x cube. Then we have a4 x power 4. a4 x power 4 is nothing but this one. So a4 x power 4, here we have positive sign, so we write plus 1 by 3. So here we have 1 into 2, so we write 2 by 3 a naught x power 4. Okay, then plus and so on. So then after this, when you separate a0 and a1 terms, so that is nothing but with the solution of the problem. So here what we write here, y is equal to, when you separate a0, so we take a0 terms. Now when you take a0 terms, you can see here we have, if you take a0 common, so here you get 1 minus 2 x square, that's it. Here we write first 1, then we have minus 2 x square, then we have, here we have a0 term, plus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 x power 4 plus and so on. Then we take a1 common, so when you take a1 common, now this becomes x minus 2 by 3 x minus 2 by 3 x cube plus we have only x, a1 terms are 2 here, another term will be there, so x minus 2 by 3 x cube plus and so on. So this is the solution of the given equation. In this way we solve the problems based on power series. This is very easy, but it is asked many times in long answer question. Please try to do this, practice this at home. So at last I'll give you one homework, you take as homework, and then we'll go for next topic, that is the last topic of this unit. So third problem is find, that is nothing but homework for you, find the power series solution about x is equal to 0 of y dash minus 2y is equal to 0. So I'll give you the answer for this. Answer is y is equal to a naught plus 2a naught x plus 2a naught x square plus 4 upon 3 a naught x cube plus and so on. So this will be the solution for that. So you do at home. This is homework for you. Now let us go for next topic, that is the last topic of this unit, that is nothing but Legendre's polynomial. Legendre's first you write Legendre's differential equation, and then we will go for that. Legendre's differential equation. So what is Legendre's differential equation? Let us write here. So the differential equation, one minus x square d square y by dx square minus 2x dy by dx plus n of n plus 1 of y is equal to 0. Take this as equation 1. This is the differential equation, Legendre's differential equation, where n is a real number. When n is a real number is called Legendre's differential equation. Okay, so after this, now next topic of this related to this Legendre's differential equation is Rodrigues formula. This will come for short question. This will be asked in short. So related problems will be asked in short. Sometimes it may be asked for 5 marks. So what is that? The relation Pn of x is equal to 1 upon 2 power n factorial d power n upon dx power n into x square minus 1 whole power n is known as Rodrigues formula. This is very, very important. This you have to memorize. So now note, putting n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on in Rodrigues formula, we get Legendre's polynomial. Legendre's polynomials. Okay, so here these are both related. Okay, so thus, so when you substitute x is equal to n is equal to 1 in Rodrigues formula, you get p naught of x is equal to 1 upon 2 power 0 0 factorial dx, that is nothing but d power 0 upon dx power 0 into x square minus 1 power 0. So this is equal to 1. So this implies p naught of x is equal to 1. So this is nothing but what? These are all what I am writing is nothing but Legendre's polynomials. So when when n is equal to 0, you are getting p naught of x is equal to 1. So in the same way, where you substitute n is equal to 1, then you get p1 of x is equal to 1 upon 2 power 1 into 1 factorial into d power 1 upon dx power 1 into x square minus 1. So this is equal to, you get 1 upon 2 into, that's nothing but 2 power 1 is 2. 1 factorial is 1. So 1 by 2 d by dx of, when you differentiate x square, that becomes what? 2x. And d by dx of 1 is 0. So when you cancel 2, so you get, implies p1 of x is equal to x you get. So this is also Legendre polynomial. So now after this, when you substitute n is equal to 2, when you substitute n is equal to 2, let us do in the next paper. When you substitute n is equal to 2, this becomes p2 of x is equal to 1 upon 2 power 2 into 2 factorial. That is, Rodrigues formula is 1 upon 2 power n into n factorial. Then we have d power n. So n is 2 here. D square upon dx square into x square minus 1 whole power n is nothing but 2. So we write 2. So after this, where you simplify this, this becomes 1 upon 2 square is 4 into 2 factorial is again 2. So after this, now where you differentiate once, this becomes what? 2 into x square minus 1 into what? 2x. Okay. So again, when you simplify this, this becomes 1 upon, so you can cancel here. So this becomes 4. 2 into 2, 4, 4, get cancels here. So this becomes 1 upon 2 into x square minus 1. X cube minus x, because when you multiply this x with this one, x into x square is x cube minus 1 into x is x. So you got 1 upon, so here we have d by dx, because we have differentiated once, so we write d by dx here. 1 upon this one is over, so because we have differentiated once, so we write d by dx, and this one is d by dx. Now when you differentiated 1 again, then this becomes 1 upon 2. When you differentiate that, that becomes 3x square minus 1. So now this total becomes p2 of x. p2 of x is equal to 1 upon 2 into 3x square minus 1. So this is also a Legendre polynomial. So then in the same way, when you put p3, when you put p3, then p3 of x is equal to, again this is equal to 1 upon 2 power 3 into 3 factorial d cube upon dx cube x square minus 1 whole cube. Now as you know the formula of a minus b whole cube, so first we simplify that is nothing but, here this becomes 2 cube, that is nothing but 8. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, so 6. 8 into 6 is 48, 1 upon 48. So here you get d cube upon dx cube Now a minus b whole square, that is nothing but a cube nothing but here square is there, so we write x power 6 a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b, that is nothing but, as I have told you before also, since a minus b whole cube is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So here minus 3a square b, 3a square b is nothing but minus 3x power 4 you get. When you square this, that becomes x power 4. Then b is nothing but 1. Next plus 3x square. Okay. So in this way we expand this and then we differentiate this. At last you get, when you differentiate that, I'll do this one, 1 upon 48. When you differentiate once, this becomes d square upon dx square. Then this becomes 6x power 5 minus 0. Then we have 3x power 4, that is nothing but minus 12x cube. Then we have plus 6x square. So then when you differentiate again, this becomes 1 upon 48. So then we have again, when you differentiate this, you get d by dx here. Then we write here 30x power 4 minus 36x square plus you get 12x. Okay, so now after that this can be written as when you differentiate again this one, you get let us do this, 1 upon 48. When you differentiate this becomes 120x cube minus 72x. Then you have plus 12. Let me check once. This is 6x power 5 minus 12x cube plus you get 6x, not 6x you get, not 6 power 4. Now this becomes when you differentiate again, you get here only 6x 6 only, you get here 6. Now this becomes 0 here. Okay, now this p3 of x will be 1 upon when you take common here, you can take common also here. What you take common here, you can take either 6 you take common. If you take 6 common, or okay, just simplify this one so that the last result will be 1 upon 2 5x square minus 3x. Okay, so this is p3 of x. So this is the p3 of x. So in this way we simplify whatever we want, that is nothing but p1 of x, p0 of x, p2 of x, p3 of x. If it is required, we have p4 also. I'll write here. Similarly, p4 of x is equal to 1 upon 8 35x power 4 minus 30x square plus 3. Then we have p5 of x is equal to 1 upon 8 63x power 5 minus 70x cube plus 15x, and so on. So in this way, how we got all this? We have substituted n is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on in Rodrigues formula. Rodrigues formula is nothing but Pn of x is equal to 1 upon 2 power n factorial into d power n upon dx power n into x square minus 1 power n. So that will be the formula, Rodrigues formula. In that we substitute and then we get all Legendre polynomials. Then after this, let us do problems based on Legendre polynomial. Now let us write first problem here. So first problem is express f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square plus x plus 2 in terms of Legendre polynomial. Legendre's polynomial. Okay, so now let us do this problem. This will become for 5 marks, sometimes it comes for 2 marks, so mostly it will come for short. So now let us write Legendre polynomials. That is nothing but p naught of x. Directly we have to write here, we have to memorize what we have derived just now. P naught of x is 1, p1 of x is nothing but x, p2 of x is nothing but 1 upon 2 into 3x square minus 1, and we want p3 of x is equal to, we have to substitute all this so that we will get the answer. So how you got this? This is nothing but p naught or p2 of x is p3 of x is nothing but 1 upon 5, and then p3 of x is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 5x square by 5x cube minus 3x. As you know this one, just now we have derived, you can see. Now before starting the problem, we have we got p2 of x, that is 1 upon 2 into 3x square minus 1. In the same way, p3 of x we got 1 upon 2 5x square 5x cube. It should be 5x cube minus 3x and so on. So here that I am taking here. So here p2 of x is equal to 1 upon 2 3x square minus 1. p3 of x is nothing but 1 upon 2 5x cube minus 3x. Now so here p naught of x, p1 of x is the same. p2 of x can be changed as p2 of x is equal to 1 upon, we write here, since p2 of x is equal to 1 upon 2 3x square minus 1. This implies I take this 2 to this both other side, that becomes 2p2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. Now I can write x square as I take this 3 to other side, that becomes what, 2 by 3 p2 of x, and I take this minus 1 to other side, that becomes plus 1. Okay, so now this is equal to, I can write 2 upon 3 p2 of x plus, in the place of 1 I substitute p naught of x, so here I write p naught of x. So we got x square. Now in the same way, as we know, p3 of x is equal to 1 upon 2 5x cube minus 3x, implies I take this 2 to other side, so that it becomes 2p3 of x is equal to 5x cube minus 3x. Now after this I take this 5 to other side, so that it becomes 2 upon 5 p3 of x. Okay, and I write minus 3x to other side, that becomes plus 3x is equal to x cube. This implies you get x cube is equal to 2 upon 5 p3 of x plus 3 into, in the place of x we write p1 of x, so we write here p1 of x. Okay, so after writing this, now we substitute x cube, x square and x in f of x. So let us substitute that. Therefore f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square plus x plus 2. Then this is equal to in the place of x cube we substitute this whole term. So that is nothing but 2 upon 5 p3 of x plus 3 p1 of x, then minus 5 into x square is nothing but this term. So I'll write that in bracket. So this becomes 2 upon 3, then p2 of x plus p0 of x. After substituting 5x square, then we have plus x. X is nothing but p0. X is nothing but in the place of x we have to substitute p1 of x. p1 of x plus 2 into, because this is nothing but 2 into 1. So we have to write 2 into p0 of x is nothing but 1. So 2 p0 of x. Then after substituting we simplify this. This becomes 2 upon 5, then p3 of x plus 3 p1 of x minus 5 into 2 by 3. So I write 10 upon 3 p2 of x, then minus of plus, so you get minus 5 p0 of x plus p1 of x plus 2 p0 of x. Okay, so after this, now let us simplify this. First we write p3 terms. So we have only one p3 term here. So we write 2 upon 5 p3 of x. Then we write p2 so that it becomes minus 10 upon 3 p2 of x. Then we have p1 of x. Now we have 3 p1 of x plus p1 of x. So I can write this as, so here let us see how many p1 of x we have. This is 5x square. Here in the place of x square it is okay. In the place of p0, yes. So 3 p1 of x plus p1 of x, that is 4 p1 of x. Next p0. How many p0 we have? Minus p0, minus 5 p0 of x plus 2 p0 of x, that is minus 3 p0 of x. So this will be the answer we get here. This is the answer for the given problem. So here we write f of x is equal to, so once again we will go through this problem first. So here it is given f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square plus x plus 2 in terms of Legendre polynomial. So you know that Legendre polynomials we have just derived, that is nothing but p0 of x is equal to 1, p1 of x is equal to x, p2 of x is equal to 1 upon 2 3x square minus 1, p3 of x is nothing but 1 upon 2 5x cube minus 3x. Now that we take p2 of x first. So from p2 of x we extract x square. As you know, p2 of x is equal to 1 upon 2 3x square minus 1. I take this 2 to other side, so that it becomes 2 p2 of x is equal to 3x square minus 1. So x square is equal to this 3 I take to other side, so that it becomes 2 by 3 p2 of x, and then this minus 1 if you take to other side, that becomes plus 1. So x square is equal to 2 upon 3 in the place of p2 of x is same, plus 1 in the place of 1 we have to substitute here p0. So yes, so here 2 by 3, this is okay, 3x square. So here you should get 1 by 3, not because when you take this this implies if you write 2 by 3 2 p2 of x first, 2 p2 of x, this minus 1 the other side, that becomes plus 1. So when you take upon 3 then we will have to write 3 for both. So this becomes 2 by 3 and 1 by 3, so that it becomes 2 by 3 p2 of x plus 1 by 3 p0 of x. So after that, in the same way we have to do for this also. P3 of x is equal to 1 upon 2, this is okay, and 2p3 of x then is equal to 5x square minus 3x. Now minus 3x, and this 3x if you take to other side, then when you divide with 5, so this becomes 3 by 5 because 2 by 5 p3 of x, and when you take this 3x to other side and then when you divide 5, so it should be for both. So then x cube 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 p1 of x. Okay, so then after this when you substitute in this given, so 2 by 5, this is we have to write x cube as 2 by 5 p3 of x plus 3 by 5 p1 of x minus 5 into x square is 2 by 3 p2 of x plus 1 by 3 p naught of x. Then we have 2 x is nothing but p1 of x, then 2 is nothing but 2 p naught of x. Then 2 by 5 p3, this is okay, this is 3 by 5, and then minus 10 by 3 p2 of x, then minus 5 upon 3, then we have plus p1 of x plus 2 p naught of x. Then we have 2 by 3 p3 of x, and then we have minus 10 by 3 p2 of x, then p1. Now if you check p1, now you can see we have 3 by 5 p1 of x plus p1 of x, so this becomes 3 plus 5, so 8 by 5 you get 8 by 5 p1 of x. Then next is p naught. So if you take p naught, here we have p naught, here we have p naught, so when you take this 3 to other side, that becomes minus 5 plus 6. Minus 5 plus 6 is 1 by 3, so you get 1 upon 3 p naught of x. So this you get plus here because minus 5 plus 6, and this is plus. Okay, so this is the answer. So let us do one more problem so that you can understand. Let us have one more problem based on this. Hope you have understood this problem. This is very easy. Simplification is very important, so do it carefully. Now let us do next problem. Second problem is express p of x is equal to 3 p3 of x plus 2 p2 of x plus 4 p1 of x plus 5 p naught of x as a polynomial in x, comma, where Pn of x is Legendre's polynomial of order n. Okay, so this is the problem. Now let us write next problem here. This is nothing but the problem. Let us do this problem. So solution for this problem is, as you know, first we know p dot of x is nothing but 1, comma, p1 of x is nothing but x. Then p2 of x is nothing but 1 upon 2 into 3x square minus 1. Then next is p3 of x is nothing but 1 upon 2 into 5x cube minus 3x. Now you can observe the problem. In the previous problem there was f of x. Now here it is given p of x. Now here directly we can substitute whatever Legendre polynomials are there in the problem. So therefore p of x is equal to, so p of x is equal to 3 into, what is p3 of x? p3 of x is 1 upon 2 5x cube minus 3x. So directly we have to substitute, plus 2 into p2. What is p2 here? p2 is nothing but 1 upon 2 into 3x square minus 1. Then plus, then we have 4p1 of x. 4p1 of x is nothing but p1 is x. So we write x plus 5. 5p0 of x. 5p0 of x in the sense p0 of x is 1. So we write 5. Then after writing that, now we simplify this one. Where you simplify this, this becomes, now where you cancel this 2, now you get 3 by 2. So when you multiply this and simplify, you get 3 by 2 into 5. So you get 15 x cube upon 2. Next is minus 9x by 2 you get. Then we get plus 3x square minus 1 plus 4x plus 5. Okay, so then after this, where you simplify, you get 15x cube upon 2 minus, here how many x terms are there? Here we have 9x by 2 plus 4x. So when you take this 2 to other side, that becomes 8x. Minus 9x plus 8x is nothing but x. Minus 9x plus 8x. So minus x by 2 you get. Then next term is only 3x square. Only one term we have, 3x square. Now constant term is minus 1 plus 5. That is nothing but plus 4. So in this way we have to do the problems when it is given p of x. When f of x is given, we have to just extract what are the polynomials we want, like x cube, x square, x and so on, and then we have to dump in the f of x. Now here p of x is given, so we know Legendre polynomials. Directly we substitute and simplify. This will be the answer. This will come in short answer. So with this we complete our